Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the MCHOSE V9 Turbo wireless gaming headset, a gaming headset designed for players who want immersive audio, wireless convenience, and long-lasting comfort without spending premium headset money. This headset is built for gamers who want a reliable audio solution for everyday gaming. Whether you're jumping into competitive shooters, exploring massive open-world adventures, chatting with friends, or simply enjoying your favorite content, the V9 Turbo positions itself as a well-rounded headset that focuses on performance, comfort, and versatility. If you want to grab this headset for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the MCHOSE V9 Turbo immediately gives off a clean and modern look. The design feels gaming focused without being overly flashy, making it a headset that fits naturally into almost any setup. The build quality feels solid throughout. The headband has a sturdy feel, the ear cups are well constructed, and nothing about the headset feels fragile or poorly assembled. For a product in this category, the overall first impression is surprisingly premium. Once you put the headset on, comfort quickly becomes one of its strongest features. The ear cushions are soft and designed to sit comfortably around your ears, helping reduce pressure during long gaming sessions. The headband distributes weight evenly across your head, which helps prevent discomfort over time. Whether you're gaming for an hour or spending an entire evening online with friends, the headset remains comfortable and easy to wear. Now let's talk about audio performance, because that's where a gaming headset really proves its value. The V9 Turbo delivers clear and immersive sound that helps bring games to life. Explosions feel impactful, environmental effects feel more detailed, and in-game audio becomes easier to track. For competitive games, directional sound is especially important. Being able to identify footsteps, gunfire, or movement around you can make a real difference, and the headset does a solid job of creating that sense of awareness. The sound profile feels balanced overall. The bass adds energy and impact without completely overpowering the mids and highs. Dialogue remains clear, effects feel detailed, and overall audio performance remains enjoyable across a variety of game genres. Whether you're playing shooters, RPGs, racing games, or even listening to music and watching videos, the headset delivers a consistent experience. Another major advantage is the wireless connectivity. Nobody enjoys dealing with cables stretched across a desk, and the V9 Turbo helps keep your setup clean and clutter-free. The wireless connection feels stable and responsive, allowing you to focus on your game without worrying about interruptions. Low latency performance helps ensure that what you hear stays synchronized with what's happening on screen. That responsiveness becomes especially important during competitive gameplay, where timing matters. The headset also offers flexibility for users who switch between different devices. Instead of being limited to a single setup, it can adapt to different gaming environments, making it useful for players who use multiple platforms. The microphone is another important part of the experience. Clear communication can make a huge difference when playing with teammates, and the V9 Turbo is designed to keep your voice sounding clear and understandable. Whether you're coordinating strategies during a match or chatting casually with friends, voice communication feels natural and reliable. Background distractions are kept under control, helping your voice remain the focus of the conversation. Battery life is another area where this headset performs well. Long battery performance means you can enjoy multiple gaming sessions without constantly checking battery levels or searching for a charger. For most users, charging simply becomes part of the routine, rather than something that interrupts gameplay. The controls are positioned for easy access and feel intuitive to use. Adjusting volume, managing settings, or controlling audio can be done quickly without removing the headset or interrupting your session. These small conveniences add up over time and help create a smoother overall experience. Durability also feels dependable throughout. The materials feel capable of handling daily use, and the overall construction gives you confidence that the headset is designed for the long haul. Over time, reliability becomes just as important as sound quality, and the V9 Turbo does a good job of balancing both. When it comes to value, this headset sits in a very attractive position. It combines wireless freedom, comfortable design, solid audio performance, and reliable communication features into one package. Instead of focusing on flashy gimmicks, it concentrates on the fundamentals that most gamers actually care about. For players looking to upgrade from a basic headset without spending a premium price, that balance makes a lot of sense. Over time, comfort, audio quality, and reliability tend to matter more than extra features you rarely use. The V9 Turbo focuses on delivering those core strengths consistently every time you sit down to play. Overall, the MCHOSE V9 Turbo wireless gaming headset is a comfortable, versatile, and well-rounded headset that brings together immersive sound, wireless convenience, and dependable performance into one complete package. If you're looking for a gaming headset that delivers strong everyday performance without unnecessary complexity, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.